My name's Alex Sen Gupta. I'm a senior lecturer at the Climate Change Research Centre at the University of New South Wales. I'm an oceanographer and a climate scientist, so my work really revolves around how the ocean affects the climate system and how climate change is going to affect what's happening in the ocean. I guess the most important thing about the ocean is it's got this huge heat capacity. That means if you change the ocean slightly, it has massive ripple effects everywhere. If I change the temperature in the tropical Pacific, it's going to change rainfall over Australia. So understanding how rainfall is going to change from one month to the next month, or forecasting it a few months into the future, or trying to understand what's going to happen to it 100 years from now is absolutely vital for things like agriculture or infrastructure or various other industries. In climate change, there are hundreds of myths that are spread around the media, and the social media in particular. I guess the most fundamental is that climate change isn't happening, or if it is happening, it's not caused by humans. A lot of the work that I'm doing is related to what's going to happen quite a long way into the future. So at the moment, I'm trying to come back a little bit and try and do work that is maybe more relevant to what's happening at the moment. So I've got a project, for example, that's looking at tuna in the tropical Pacific and how to keep the tuna stock sustainable. I think that's a really exciting thing for me. I've always wanted to be a scientist. That's always been my goal. The things that really interested me back then were things like black holes and the creation of the universe, and really that led me on to doing science for the first half of my life. These days, I'm still really interested in the big picture kind of science, and I don't think it gets much bigger picture than what's happening to our environment and how it's going to change over the next few decades.